Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in this video, I will copy data from web, means this websites, https dummyjson.com into in my blob storage account inside the sync container. Okay, this is my sync container. Here you can see there is no file. I will copy this data into in JSON file format in sync container. Okay, I will use ADF, and in this ADF I will use copy data activity. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, I am giving name web to blob. Okay, and simple. Now what I will be do, I will click on the source and I will create data set. Now this is very important because I'm copy data from web, then I will use REST API. Okay, this one, and I will do continue. Okay, now I will create data set REST to blob. Okay, and here I will create a link services REST blob. Okay, here you can see base URL. Here I will paste that URL. Which URL? This URL where my data exists. Okay, now you can see here, you can see authentication type basic. In basic you can see it's asking username and password, but I don't have any username and password. Then what I will do, I am doing this for the practice purpose, then I will select first option. Okay, now you can see. Okay guys, now I will click on test connection. It's done. Now I will click on create. Okay, now my source is done. Now coming on the sync part. Okay, now I will click data set. Now I am copying data into in blob storage account from web. Then I will click on Azure blob storage in a JSON format. Okay, so I will click on JSON, not delimited text. Okay, now continue. Here I will give data set name web to blob. Okay, here I will create new link services web to blob, web to blob. Okay, here I will select free trial Azure storage account. Here you can see Akash blob storage account 21st Jan. Today I created this. Okay, now click on the test connection successfully. Now click on create. Now it will asking location. Okay, here where I want to paste this data in a sync container. Okay, done. After selecting container sync, then I will click on OK. Now guys, my source and sync done. Now what I will do, I will click on debug. Here you can see pipeline is going to run. You can see pipeline is running, and here you can see there is no file in my blob storage account. Now you will see one file will be come. Okay, till then I will show you source. In source we can check data. Okay, like this data, and you are not able to understand this data. Okay, but here you can understand in a source container, in a source data set. Here you can see products, ID, title, description, each and everything you can understand here easily. Okay, let's check. Now guys, my pipeline has been succeeded. Okay, now I'm going on the sync. Here I will click on refresh. Now guys, you can see my file has been copied successfully here from web to blob storage account in sync container, such as you can copy it in ADLS also. Okay, so guys, if you have any question and concern, then you can comment in the comment box. And if you want to watch my previous video, then I gave the link in a description box of my playlist. Then you can click on that and you can watch my old videos as well. And thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video.